Hi there, this is Monoar Hossain from Wix Web Expert. So in this video, I will show you how can you connect your domain with your Wix website. So let's go to my Wix dashboard and I want to connect the domain with this website. Obviously, you need to purchase the premium plan at first before connecting the domain. So at first you need to purchase a plan from Wix for a single website, and then you just need to click here, select site, and after that you can see here connect a domain. So I know my domain is from Hostinger, and let me copy the domain name and let me go here and select it. Let's go. Connect it with your site. Continue. It's finding my domain. Yes, it's from Hostinger. Okay, so I need to log in the Hostinger. So for now, let me pause the video.
Okay, I sent to your
Uh,
message now.
4
Okay. 451542.
542.
I sent it to you. Yeah.
Yeah, let me check if it's work.
451542.
Yeah, it's
It
authenticating now. It's
Okay.
a invalid code.
Okay.
451542.
Yes.
Oh. Four five one 542. 451542. No, it says invalid.
451542. Okay, I find it. Maybe.
Let me
This is
send
the
you the
last.
new one. Let me send it again.
Okay, I resent it.
You got
Okay,
it? Yeah.
I got the letter. 352
352
106.
106.
Okay.
Let
This
me
is the.
let me check. Yes. Connect your site. Okay. Okay, that's great.
Okay, you got that.
Yeah,
Okay.
so now I'm gonna doing the search engine optimization now for your website and GEO as well, like it's for AI optimization, and after that I am knocking you. Okay.
Okay. All right.
Okay, that's great.
Thank
Bye
you.
for now.
Thank you.
You're
Okay. Bye.
most welcome. Okay, so look like that way the domain is connected with the website. It will take 2 to 3 hours to connect it properly, and once the domain will be okay, Then I will go to do the SEO and GEO. So it's now 0%. So I will do the search engine optimization. I will research the keyword for this website to rank it on UK, on the, maybe, let me see, this is the website that I have done for my client. This is actually the sales page. So the work was, I will move the website from WordPress to Wix. So if I will go to the main website, this is the main website. It's a restaurant website, Brown Rice, and I have redesigned the website again with the Wix Studio. And he have 3 brands. She have 3 brands. Actually, they are 2 partner maybe. So they have 3 location. Their restaurant have 3 brands, and here is the location as well. So I have done everything like his home, menu page. This is the menu page that I have done for my client. So here is the menus that's available for the restaurant, on the restaurant, and here is the contact page. So when anyone fill up the information on the contact forum, then they will get it. And here is the Facebook and Instagram, and terms of services, privacy policy, and FAQ. And I have done another things, because I take this project from them to not only doing the website, not only moving it from WordPress to Wix Studio. I take the full project to do the marketing as well on Instagram, like is the meta ads, to visit the people, their restaurant in person. That's why I have done a sales page. Actually, I will use this link to do the meta ads on Instagram, and I put here everything what is available, the menus and the location and Google reviews as well. I have display everything and some of the FAQ. So I will do the marketing for this page, and here have an offer. If any person will follow them, then they will get a 10% off. So this is my marketing key for initially. So yeah, now I will do the search engine optimization and AI optimization. After that, we are going to launch the ad to visit the customers in person with these 3 location, on these 3 locations. So if you have a website and you are not getting sales from it, it can be any kind of website. So I can assist you to do the full website redesign, sales page, and meta ads. After done the website and after done the sales page, I will observe 1 month the ads, how it's working, what we need to improve, and how it will work 100%, and you can generate the sales properly. So if you have a website and you are not getting the sales, so you may knock me. I can assist you to do your website redesign, and I can make it like as the sales friendly. I will research your website. I will make the funneling, how can improve the sales, or how can improve the visibility of your website. And nowadays, everyone are using AI, so obviously we need to make the website fully AI search friendly, and I know how to do it with Wix Studio. So if you have a business and you are not getting the enough sales, so I can assist you to generate the sales. So feel free to knock me. On my video description you can get my WhatsApp information and my website information as well. My website is Wix Web Expert. If you search on Google with Wix Expert, then you can see my website, Wix Web Expert. Here I have my WhatsApp information, and you can schedule a meeting with me, so we can talk about your business, and we can do a good business together. So yeah, thank you so much for your time. See you on the Google Meet. Bye for now.